Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today I will present about local area network LAN. So the introduction is a local area network or LAN is a group of computers and peripheral devices that share a common communication line or wireless link to a server within a distinct geographic area. A local area network may serve as a few as 2 or 3 users in home office or several hundred users in corporation central office. Next, the type of line is first topology. Topology is the geometry arrangement of devices on the network. For example, like device can be arranged in a ring or in a straight line. And secondly is protocols. So the rules and encoding specification for sending data. The protocols also determine whether the network uses a peer-to-peer or client or server architecture. And lastly, media. Devices can be connected by twisted pair wire, coaxial cables, or fiber optic cable. Some network do without connecting media altogether, communicating instead via radio wave.
For working principle of local area network, it is made from the coaxial cable that can carry a radio signal, and it can be applied at the single building. So local area network can be set up with two or more computers that connect with each other using a physical connection to share or transfer a file and data. So the data can be transmitted over 500 meter without a signal attenuation of a problem. So the data also will transmit in the digital format along with the serial transmission lines. Besides, it has a practical value in the monitoring and control of systems that have a number of separate of sensors, actuators, and control units over a large area. So they have a three common types of network protocols that have in local area network. Firstly is the star network. So it connected directly to the supervisory computer using a individual cables. For ring networks, it all the intelligent devices are connected to a bus and it will form a continuously ring. And for the bus network, it has the same principle like a ring networks, but it will not form as continuously.
Okay, firstly, I will tell about application of local area network. Firstly, about education server. LANs can be utilized in the library for education purpose too. For example, Western University have made plan for two types of server. They were going to provide an online database registered with trained staff for use engaged in remote database search, and secondly, they were having plan to run tutorial class in online searching simultaneously in different locations. In this manner, the user will have a better understanding of the electronic media with they have to interact in the library. For the secondly about the resource sharing, installing high cost hardware like CD-ROM driver and reader in LAN, also sharing of them by a multitude of library users. In turn will reduce the cost of price server of 10 for a single library. Thirdly, about office administration. The library office could be can connected to various other office. For instance, personal, finance, and welfare branch to avoid wasting of time used to obtain information manually from different branches. LANs can be employed to transfer data with a certain of security to the library office using the concept of electronic mail. Library staff could be connected easily instead of calling for meeting. So I will go to advantage of local area network. Firstly about software programming sharing. For programming sharing can also be shared on the LAN. You can use single license key software and any user it in the network. It is expensive to buy a license for each user in the network, so sharing software is easy and cost effective. Second, about the communication is easy, fast and time saving. A LAN computer can exchange data and message in the easy and fast way. It also make the less time and make our work fast. Lastly, about the sharing of resource. All the resource are attributed to one network, and if any computer need any resource, then it can be shared with the required computer. Type of resource are DVD driver, printer, scanner, and hard drive. So this is no need to price spread resource from each computer and it save money. That's all for me. Thank you.
For disadvantages of local area network, firstly, it has a limited area, which means it provides at the small size in single office or single building. Secondly, the setup cost. The initially of the setup cost is high because it need a special software to create a server. And for lastly is the privacy violation. It means the admin can see and check all the personal data of local area network user.
So the conclusion of local area network is a local area network is simply a way of using computer hardware and software to further increase the productivity of personal computers and those who use them.